I've always wanted to have a radio show. What I want to have Zoe do is go into my Spotify, grab a playlist with the date, and then prepare like the next episode. So we're gonna see how far we can take this. We see a lot of things that are just like, oh, you could be so much more productive, you could do all these cool things, but also sometimes we can use this stuff to have some fun and build some cool stuff. And I hope you guys take this as inspiration to go build fun, quirky, weird little things and publish them out on the internet. Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Snacks, and today we are just going to build fun things. we're gonna use Zoe computer, and we're just gonna build some silly things, because one thing I love about Zoe, you have your own personal container, your own personal kind of AI agent, and they give you kind of this, they call it a space, and you can just spin up these fun little tools. And I'm like, I was actually driving in the car the other day, and I had this idea. And Zoe took it and started it, and I thought we would bring it to light here. So I've always wanted to have a radio show. So Zoe made me my first landing page for my radio show. It's going to be 30 minutes of songs. It's going to be every Sunday night. So now what I want to have Zoe do is try to go into my Spotify, grab a playlist with the date, and then prepare like the next episode. So we're going to see how far we can take this. And so this is round one. So let's open up a chat. And we'll keep this handy just in case we need it. And we are going to let's use Codex. And let's see. I have a landing page called Sunday Night in my space for my weekly radio show. I have Spotify playlists called Sunday Night, month, day, following that naming convention. So every Sunday I want you to check Spotify and make a new page of YouTube embeds and launch the new episode and write a tweet about this. Okay, that's a lot, but let's see what Zoe needs from us. And we've got a Codex error. Let's see. I have not seen this one before. Can we try again? It's not. Let me try again. Here's what's great. We will switch it over to Opus. Claude Code error. Okay. Let's try DeepSeek. And all right, looks like DeepSeek's up and running. All right, nice thing is we got the Spotify integration going through. All right, so it is building out some skills, which is very cool. Yeah, so the idea behind this is just going to be just some songs I'm listening to every Sunday night. All right, now we're making the automation. All right, so now we got our automation set. Now this is still one prompt. I haven't really done much, really, if you think about it. All right. Okay, so now we got our automation set up, and now you can see over here, every Sunday at noon, it's going to run through, check my Spotify, build the page, find all the tracks on YouTube, build it all out, the exact template. Look at all this. And then it's going to post a tweet to that link, right? Now, this is just this dumb little thing that I want to exist in the world that makes me happy. And I think that's what sometimes we see a lot of things that are just like, oh, you could be so much more productive, you could do all these cool things, but also sometimes we can use this stuff to have some fun and build some cool stuff. And I hope you guys take this as inspiration to go build fun, quirky, weird little things and publish them out on the internet. We need more of that stuff. Thank you all for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.